دونك اول ما نبداو في الهول نوف كله هذاك كله بوش. فوالا نقعدوا لهنا. دونك هذه باش نبدا من هنا لهنا هاي فولتج ريبار سات. دونك لهنا ريبير كيت. دونك هذو فوالا هذا سي بيان. اوكي هذا سي بيان. دونك هذوكم لي بيل لي ديفيرونت بيل كومون اون فا لي فير ريباري. So good morning, you talk English?
Yes.
Okay, I am an engineer for training. Which are the mostly repaired components in the battery? All of them.
So typically, typically in the first, you have some random failures on the battery electronic side.
Electronic side,
but
yes.
it's like very random.
Yeah.
And the most, I would say, critical and cost-intensive part are the modules, so this battery cell. Cells of the modules. Because they are affected by aging mechanisms.
For sure. For sure.
Aging.
For sure. Yes, yes, yes.
We think so in the long run, the problem is with the modules, the aging of the modules.
And these battery cells are standard, or unfortunately for Chinese we have to provide Chinese cells for European. Oh my God, oh my God.
The batteries are among the OEMs. Within one platform, they even have
Yeah.
So you have
Because all of them, they are controlled by hardware and software. So they should recognize every cell.
Exactly.
Unfortunately,
It's not like standardized.
it will change in the future. It will change.
I think so too. At some point, legal constraints will come.
Yeah. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you.